Hey YouTube guys and YouTube gals, it's me, Magnum, over at Guns and Cars with 2 Z's if you please. As you know, Christmas is just around the corner, and one of the things that I always think of when I think of Christmas is peanut brittle. A good friend of mine, a high school friend of mine, sent me a recipe for this. It is excellent. And we're going to make some. So stick around. Crunchy. First thing we have here is a half a cup of light corn syrup, and to that we want to add a cup of sugar. So we'll just put that in there, and we've got 1.5 cups of peanuts. These are dry roasted, salted. So the recipe I have calls for salt, but I'm not going to put the salt in because I've already got salted peanuts. We've got a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to melt this, a teaspoon of vanilla extract that we're going to add as well. The final ingredient is a teaspoon of baking soda, but we're not going to add that until the end. So we have our butter here, all nice and melted. And we'll pour that in, and I'll get this mixed up and get back with you in just a second. Okay, we're in the microwave. The recipe says 4 minutes. I haven't put the peanuts in yet because it calls for raw peanuts, so I'm going to put those in after this gets cooked for the first 4 minutes. Meanwhile, also I have lightly greased a cookie sheet because that's what we're going to pour it out on when we get it ready. So we'll be back in a minute and we'll add the peanuts. Okay, we're just about ready to come out of the microwave, and when we come out we're going to add the baking soda and we're going to stir that in, and then we're going to spread it out on this pan and see what happens. I don't know if you can see this or not. Hopefully you can, because I don't have much time here. I'm going to add the baking soda. And we're going to stir this up. This, you have to be kind of fast on this part of it, because once the baking soda gets in there, you got about 20 seconds or so before it starts to solidify. So, looking good so far. Alright, I'm going to pour it out on the pan. Ooh. Oh, that is some sticky stuff. All right. As I said, we don't have long to work with this. We're going to leave that there for a little bit, let it cool, and see if it busts up okay and whether it's light and crunchy. And there we go. I just set it outside on the deck for 10 or 15 minutes and it cooled off, and then it just easily broke into serving size chunks, and it's very tasty. So if you want to give it a try, I'll put the recipe down below. If you like this video, I hope you'll give me the thumbs up on it, and feel free to share it, favorite it, and if you like watching me try to make my way around the kitchen, go ahead and subscribe, because I may end up trying to do something else in here again at some point. So until I speak with you again, and even after that, you stay safe.